Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add pop-up option in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to install plugin. So scroll on right here on your left sidebar, and then from in there, just click on this plugin and click on this add new plugin. Once you have clicked on that, you should be redirected to the plugin marketplace of WordPress itself. So here it is right here. You can see in here the search bar. So head over and click on that. And then search in here for pop-up by Subsystic. So let's head over and search for this particular plugin. And then you can see it right here, pop-up by Subsystic, which is by subsystic.com itself. So let's head over and click on it. And then from in here, click on this install and activate. And then this will install and activate this particular plugin. So as you can see, it's been installed. So let's click on this manage plugin right here. Now we're now on our dashboard, so scroll down right here and you can see that we have this welcome to pop-up by Subsystic plugin. So let's first head over and close this, or you can also just click on this right here. And then once I click on it right here, you should be able to see its particular dashboard right here, as well as a video tutorial and also a subscription for there. So you can head over and click on this let's start right here in order to start this appear on your website. So here it is right here. So let's first create our first pop-up. So let's name this. So let's name it pop-up 1. And then you can also choose the category that it's been. Like for example, you have in here a template. You have in here some options as you want. So it can be a common template, an age verification template, full screen template, login registration, notification, Facebook like, or anything in here. So for example, for me, I'll just head over and use this login and registration. And I have in here this template. So you can head over and click on that particular template. But as you can see, there are some templates that actually on the Pro plan. So you can head over and just the one that isn't included in the Pro plan. Like for example, this one's right here. So you can head over and choose which ones is for you. So for me, I'll head over and choose this one. And then from in there, click on this save option right here. Once you have saved that, you should be able to see also some few more pop-ups, and it will load into here in order to help you design this. So we have in here this main page, like for example, it will show at least this times per day or also per hour if you want as well. And you can also show or hide only for devices. You can show it on all pages or just on a specific page. You can click in here when page loads, and you can set in here a delay, as well as this user click on the page. You can actually figure out the settings in here. And in here, when you click on design, you can choose or change the pop-up template. You can change the pop-up overlay as well as the close button. As you can see, here is a preview. So you can change what that look like. For example, let's change the background color into something pink. So let's choose this pink color right here. And when you scroll down, as you can see, it will change this particular color. So you can also change it up however you want. Here it has been changed. Now, if you want to, you can also change the image that's been added right here. Or you can also make this a color that will be selected on your case. So let's also select pink right there. As you can see, it will load, and as you can see, it's been added right here. Now you can add in here some labels as well, and also some background overlays, pop-up location, as well as the text, social, and pop-up opening up in animation. So you can choose in here any animation that you want. You can slide up, slide down, bounce up, or bounce down. When you hover to them, you should be able to see what it looks like. So in here, let me just head over and choose the ones that I have. I'll choose the slide up right here, and then click on this select close animation. And then the close animation for this is slide down right there. Now you can also choose the appearance, location, and you can also see in here the statistics and all of that. When you head over and click on the CSS and HTML code, you can see this code for that. So once you're done editing everything, click on the save option in the upper corner, and then it will load the preview of your pop-up. So you can head over and click on this preview in order to see what it looks like. So here's what it looks like right here, right now. I haven't really created or modified it because that is up to you. Now click on this icon right here in order to turn this on. And once it's turned on and you head over to any link or any page that you have on your browser, you should be able to see your website pop up in just a few seconds of its downloading process. So in here, I have actually selected in here a delay, so it will wait for a delay before it actually shows. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.